everyone. Today I will be playing Among Us, but I don't chat to anybody in the game. Meaning, if somebody accuses me, I cannot defend myself. If I see somebody vent, I cannot tell anybody that I saw them vent. I want to see how this goes. I want to see if, when I'm the imposter, if people accuse me even if I don't talk. I don't know. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so we're here. This is Among Us. So basically just waiting in the lobby for one more person to join, I believe. One more person needs to join. So basically in this game, what we're gonna do is if we get crewmate, what we gotta do is complete tasks. We see anything suspicious, see anybody acting suspicious, we try and vote them off, try and end up getting the imposter out of the game, because if we get the imposter out of the game, we win. The imposter is trying to kill us the whole time. Everybody knows how Among Us is played. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing a round with imposter. I don't know. If I get lucky, my first round will be imposter. But we'll see how that goes. Okay, we got everybody. It's kind of funny watching the chat, and I'm not even talking. So, yep, we're starting, I believe. Yeah, we're starting. Here we go. And shh. Crewmate. Okay. So let's pop down here. We got team here. Okay, I have a task. Oh geez, my game lagged there. I gotta do electrical to tablet. Electrical's not that bad on this map. The Polis map, it's not that bad. I don't like electrical on the other one. That's dangerous. Okay, I gotta go to communications. Whoops, I accidentally went into the lights out area. Go to comms. I do like this map. I think Polis might be one of my favorite maps. Reset. Okay, so something has to be reset. I can't actually read it from the tablet. Reset. Oh, I think it's the Seismatic Stabilizers. Yeah. I hope they can do it. I'm not really working on it right now. I'll just go and help if they need it. Somebody's already up here. I'm just gonna hold it down just to contribute. Okay, good. It's normal. Jeez, I'm lagging hard. I'm sorry about this. What is happening? Okay, there. Oh, wait, I gotta go to -18. Why am I? Whoops, I accidentally went up for some reason. There we go, -18. We're now in the laboratory. Emergency meeting. I want to know how to check vitals, just so I can see who's alive and who's not. Pro player called the meeting. Why? Tell me why. Everybody throw me into lava. What? Okay. So we're all voting pro player, I guess. He just voted himself to be thrown in lava. I honestly don't think that he is the imposter. I don't think the imposter would do that. Yeah, I don't think he's the imposter. Yep, he was innocent. But, I mean, that's just him voting himself out. It's kind of sad, but I mean, it just has to happen. I kind of think, I don't know, I'm kind of sus of Zooey. But there's an emergency? No, there's not. Billy's kind of sus. I'm sus of Billy. I'm sussing Billy. Wow, too fast. Accepted. There we go. Mobile's easy for the card swipe. Let's see. Darn it, the lights. Somebody's definitely going to be killed in here. Please nobody find me. Please nobody find me. Please nobody find me. Defeat. Wow, it was brown and purple. Thank you. Dang it, the ad. Nobody pay attention to this ad. Okay, I hope we can do another round pretty fast. I hope people join fast. Pink, please, no more hacks. What? There's pink. So basically, I just decided to join a different game, and hopefully this one is more successful. Hopefully. So, wow, the chat is really blowing up. crewmate. I want to be imposter. Please. Let me be imposter. I'm just gonna do all the tasks closest to me first, just to get them out of the way. I swear though, if I end up dying, I will scream. Because I need to survive, please. Wait, there's diamonds. Why would we throw away diamonds? Oxygen depletion. Don't you just love it when the oxygen depletes? And of course somebody is right there. That's the one that always gets me, and somebody's right there. 865198. I hope so. Okay, dead body. I don't know if we would have been able to do the oxygen. Dead body. It was light. It was cyan. It's dead. I believe. Whoa, pokey nuts. Where? 3 wheres. Just let people talk. What you mean? What Joseph says, what you mean? I'm kind of sussing Joseph, you know? That response was pretty suspicious. What you mean? One snap. I don't know. I'm voting pokey. I saw dead birdie and scaredy. I saw someone wearing none of this is actually that interesting. Sorry guys if this is getting a bit slow. Yay, no one was voted. It took them that long to choose no one was voted out. Okay, so I'm gonna run. I feel like I'm gonna get killed. I just feel like I'm gonna get killed. Frosty's kind of spooking me. I got that feeling, you know? Feeling that something bad is about to happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my tasks. Just finish up my tasks, you know? Let's do the admin task. Admin task is pretty easy. I always find the card swipe pretty easy. Okay. Boom. Look at that. Accepted. Thank you. Second try. I'm gonna head into electrical and do why that shut. That's the door shut. Okay, now I gotta do this. I hate this task. I'm so bad at it. Oh wow. Just thank you, Purple. I appreciate it, and now I gotta finish this task. Well, now I'm dead. So yeah, I think let's just hop into a round where I can actually succeed. Okay, here we go. Let's actually do it this time. Let's go, imposter. I'm not doing too well, so I had to do my phone because my iPad was not working. But we can still do this. This is easy. I'm a pro imposter. Let's get some kills. Boom. Easy brown kill. Let's vent away. What? No, that was a misclick. He saw me vent. And I can't talk. I can't defend. And now Black saw me vent. I'm so bad. It was a mistap. No, please. Spare me. Whoa, my teammate got a lot of kills. Spare me, please. I just saw the lion vent. No. I can't defend myself. Okay, what am I gonna do? Can somebody come, my teammate, defend me? They both voted. They both voted me. Where? Are you kidding me? I'm dead. There's little anything. If my teammate can vote purple. Are you kidding me? Lime, any defense. I can't talk. I can't talk. No. I got voted off. Are you kidding me? It was a mistap. I didn't vent immediately. I accidentally pushed the tasks thing. And then because I didn't vent immediately, I still tried to vent away. And then I died. And I was seen. And then I vented into black to try and kill whatever's name was pink or purple. And now I'm dead. Well, thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. If you liked this, please leave a like. And possibly subscribe if you would like this more Among Us content or just really anything. I put up a few random videos, stop motion, Among Us, Happy Wheels, maybe some fun experiments as well. Just thank you for watching, and have a good rest of your day.